In this video, I'm going to talk about this viral thing on TikTok wherein you have to find the fourth thing on the puzzle. So everyone is very confused because they can find the three things except for the last one, which is the crutch. And many people are dwelling on TikTok. Is there really this crutch thing in this picture? But as I've checked here and from the views or comments from these content creators here, that there is no crutch that you will be able to find in this picture. So this is totally not true. You can't find this thing here because the people are posting here for you to just click on their profile to see this thing, but unfortunately you won't be able to see this last thing. So they will just ask you to go to their profiles and add their videos, watch videos, their followers, and that's it. We have answered this, that we can't find that fourth object in this picture. So if you find this helpful and informative, don't forget to give it a like and subscribe.